I have the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, and I'll be showing you how to use this TV without your remote control. So let's say you've lost your remote control or it's run out of battery and you really want to use your TV, then here's what to do. So you first want to press the power button to turn it on. So there's a button at the bottom there. If you press it once, the TV goes on. Okay. Now with the TV on, you can press the button again and that will bring up a menu on the side. Now this menu disappears after maybe 2 or 3 seconds. But once you bring up the menu, you want to press once to move to the next menu item, and you can keep pressing and releasing to scroll through the menu items. Once you see something you like or something you want, then you can long press. Okay, so for instance, let's press once to bring up the menu and then press and release to scroll, as you can see. Okay, so we have all these options here. We have power, we have TV, we have the different inputs, HDMI inputs, we have AirPlay, we have volume, and then you have power off, with which you can switch off your TV. So let me show you how to switch off. So let's scroll to the power off and then long press. And that's going to switch off the TV. Now let's switch it back on by pressing once. And then let's say you want to move to a HDMI input. So press once to bring up the menu and then scroll to maybe HDMI 2 and then long press. And that's going to take us to that HDMI input. Okay, now this is my Google TV via the HDMI and I can get to it from there. Again, let's press that button. For instance, if you want to increase volume, go to volume up and then long press and you should see the volume increasing. And then scroll to volume down and then long press and volume reduces. So it's basically a limited number of functions that you can do without the remote, but you can definitely navigate around your TV to the different HDMI inputs and also to turn your TV on and off without the remote control. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below and good luck.